right? Anong dapat mong marinig from your inner self? Tingnan natin. Kuha tayo ng 1 card for you, Sag. So, let's see. Beauty is within you. No? So, sinasabi dito sa Sagittarius ng iyong inner self that you are beautiful, right? No? So, sinasabi ni universe is, ng iyong inner self, right? No, maybe, kasi alam niyo yung beauty is hindi lang panlabas, right? No? Beauty is within you, right? No, within you, no? So, nasa sa loob mo, right? Ayun mismo yung pinakamaganda sa iyong pagkatao. Yung iyong pagkatao mismo ang pinakamaganda aside from the looks, right? No, mga Sagittarius, right? No, maraming nakakakita niyan, ikaw lang siguro yung hindi. No, nakikita nila na ang ganda ng kalooban mo, right? No, siguro for some of you nakikitaan ka nila ng you are so kind, right? No, beautiful and kind, no, something like that ng mga Sagittarius natin, right? No, so ay hindi nakikita ng inner self mo sa'yo. No, so you have to embody this one, right? No, wag mong i-ano yung sarili mo. You are beautiful in any aspect, no, of your body, of your soul, no, mga Sagittarius natin, right? No, you are beautiful. No, so sinasabi ng iyong inner self, right? No, so let's see the person on your mind, no? Anong meron, no? Let's see who is the person on your mind, mga Sagittarius natin, the one you are connected with, right? No, so let's see, kuha tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Sagittarius. Tingnan natin the person on your mind for Sagittarius. So you have this white floating, elderly, and then powerful, no? Powerful, right? No, so yan, no, ang nakikita ko rito ng mga such, the person on your mind, and again, vice versa, no? Pwedeng kayo rin ito, no, for some of you, right? No, so the person you are dealing with, right, is maybe for some of you mahilig sa mga white clothes, no? Mahilig magsuot ng puti or light colored clothes, no? Something like that, right? No? Or ang means, nakikita ko rin dito for some of you, you are married to this person with the white clothing. Sabihin natin, yeah, kinasal kayo, of course, wearing white dress, no? Or white, di ba? So, yeah, this person is, yeah, no, pwedeng married din kayo. And then, yeah, for some of you, hindi na rin bata, no? Maybe parehas naman kayo ng edad ng, hindi na kayo yung kabataan, no? Mga 30s up and up na rin, of 40s, no? Something like that, no? Nakikita ko dito mga 40s and above, no? Something like that, right? No? And then with the powerful here, no? Maybe in authority, no? Or in a position itong person na ito, the one you are dealing with, no? Mga Sagittarius, or ikaw, no? Just take what's resonate, no, mga Sagittarius natin. So, this person is powerful, meaning may authority, maybe sa job or owns a business, no, something like that, na may powerful siya or may authority siya to command, no, something like that, no, or just powerful, na malakas yung kanyang aura, malakas yung kanyang, sabihin nating, yung kanyang, the way he or she handles his or herself, no? Something like that, no? Parang intimidating kind of energy, no? Something like that, no? Parang, diba? Parang napaka-confident na tao, no? Very powerful, no? Something like that. So, ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, no? For some of you, no? Sagittarius natin. So, let's see what else, no? Sa person ninyo, no, ano pang meron, no? Tignan natin, meron na sitwasyon pa sa inyo ng person na ito, right? So, kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards here for you, Sagittarius, no? Person on your mind, the one you are dealing with, right? For Sagittarius, please. Let's see. So, you have this, no, twin flames, no? So, yin-yang balance, no? So, you have twin flame, mask, no? Hiding through feelings, no? And then gaslight for some of you. So let's see what else. So blowing kiss, no? Unconditional love, giving, receiving, fairness, love, affection, return. No? So ang nakikita ko rito, no, for some of you, this person you are dealing or the person on your mind, no, mga Sagittarius, so you have a strong connection with the twin flame for some of you. Yeah, no, malakas ang sabihin nating soul tie, spirituality or spiritual connection. Kasi parang telepathically, no, you are connected even though you are apart, right? No? Parang ganun din yung nakikita. But then with the twin flame here, no, ang nakikita ko naman dito, no, sabihin natin na ano to no, kumbaga parang like nakalagay rito polar opposites, right? No, kumbaga hindi kayo magkasundo. Ito yung taong hindi kayo nagkakasundo, magkaiba kayo. Opposite na opposite, right? Na magkaiba kayo ng mga gusto, ng mga beliefs in, 'di ba, no? Kung ano man, no? Mga paniniwala sa isa't isa, no? Mga tradition, no? For some of you. And yeah, no, this person is wearing a mask for some of you, right? Kasi may conflict, no? Ang nakikita ko rin dito na may conflict kasi nga hindi kayo nagiging fair sa isa't isa. O mga para hindi kayo sabihin natin na kahit na ang nakikita ko pala is yun nga, no, with the mask here, no, for some of you, right, is sabihin natin na hindi nyo sinasabi or hindi nyo sinasabi yung totoong nararamdaman nyo sa isa't isa for some of you, right? Or maybe, dalawang senaryo, ang isa pang nakikita ko rito, no? Na-discover mo itong tao na ito na may mga tinatabo, right? No? With the mask here, right? No? May mga discoveries, revelation then for some of you because yun nga, no, hindi kayo nagkakasundo. So, may mga na-discover ka dito sa tao na ito na mga ginagawa niya na opposites na hindi mo akalain din, no, for some of you, right? No? And then, with the blowing kiss here, no, still there is someone here na giving or offering his or her unconditional love, right? No? So, kahit sabihin nating opposites kayo, right? No, nagkakaroon pa rin ng balance, right? No? Kahit na may mga conflicts na nangyayari, no, nagkakaroon pa rin ng balance, no? Yung affection nandiyan pa rin, no? Kumbaga merong give and take, no? Kumbaga meron pa ring balance eh. Kahit magkaiba kayo ng personality ng tao na ito, still you manage to have a balance, no, sa inyong partnership, relationship, no, something like that because of the unconditional love is there, no, kahit na may mga conflicts, may hindi pagkakasundo, but with the love, the unconditional love, nagkakaroon ng balance, no, ayun yung pinangahawakan ninyo para to stick together, no, at to have a balance, no, something like that, no, so ayun yung nakikita ko rito, right, no, yeah. Ayun yung nakikita ko. So, what else na tingnan pa natin? Kuha pa tayo ng 3 cards for you, mga Sagittarius natin, right? So, let's see what else, no? For Sagittarius, please. Tingnan pa natin. So, you have this, no? Nine of Wands in reverse. Sorry, 9 of Wands in reverse, the Chariot, and then 2 of Cups in reverse. So, yan, nakikita ko rito, right, na parang on and off talaga yung relationship ninyo, right? Palaging nagkakaroon ng ending and then new beginning, ending, and with the Chariot, no, laging may movement, right? And then with the 9 of Wands in reverse here, right? Ang nakikita ko rin is na-overcome, no? Na-overcome nyo, no? Lagi yung mga obstacles, right? Or yung mga conflicts sa relationship ninyo, right? No? And still, no, ang nakikita ko, no, kahit even though na-accomplish or na-overcome ninyo yung mga conflicts, obstacles, issues na pinagdadaanan ninyo sa relationship, partnership ninyo ng person na ito, right, mga Sag, no? There is a movement here, no, the Chariot. No? So, kung ang nakikita ko is, yun nga kahit na-overcome nyo nga, no, something like that, na parang, kahit na grabe yung pinagdadaanan, no, still, kasi nga, may unconditional love, no? Merong isang may unconditional love, no? Something like that. And then, with the Two of Cups in reverse here, no, ang nakikita ko, kasi nakikita mo may Scorpio dito, no, sa ayan. But then, in reverse na kasi. So, kumbaga, mas nakikita ko rito, no, sa inyo Sagittarius, is palaging may ending and then may start. Ending and start. On and off, no? Something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko. May something na paulit-ulit din na nangyayari, no? Ma-overcome din, ayos. Tapos, eto na naman, mabalik din naman sa dati. Kumbaga, kaya may Chariot kayo is, yung movement kasi, no, paikot-ikot. No? Parang you are in a cycle, repeating cycle, no, with this person, mga Sagittarius natin. So, ayun din yung nakikita ko rito, na merong isa sa inyo na nag-o-over talaga or has this unconditional love, no? Kaya, nababalance pa rin. But then, if you will see, paulit-ulit na lang yung nangyayari, no? So, parang medyo nakakapagod rin for some of you. So, let's see what's the future outcome ng inyong relationship, no, mga Sagittarius natin, right? No, so let's see, kuha tayo ng 1 card here for you, Sag, no, future outcome ng inyong relationship. Let's see. So, the Moon, no? So, ang nakikita ko rito, future outcome, no, with the Moon here, no, ang nakikita ko, may mga realization ka dito mangyayari, or sabihin natin na still, no, may mga secrets to reveal pa din, no? Ayun yung nakikita ko rito. Kasi kung makikita mo, kahit with the Moon, na lang siya, almost 1/4 na lang ng Moon, no? So, there is a revelation, no? Yung may mga secrets na na-reveal na, and with the torch here, no, or light, no, there is nakikita kong light, no, may clarity or something na yun nga, no, may ma-realize ka or clarity about this, no. So maybe in the near future, one of you or kung sino man, merong magde-decide because gusto nang kumawala or para matapos na yung repeating cycle na ito, right? No, with the Moon is kailangan ng matapos, right? No, kasi na-reveal na nagkaroon na ng clarity, no, sa relationship, no. So merong dapat gawin, no, and merong dapat i-pursue or mag-take action to kung ano man ito, no, decision, whatever it is, right? No, nakikita ko kasi parang moving forward ito, no, parang meron ng kailangan mag-decision for some of you, no, mga Sagittarius natin, right? No, so yeah, so let's see what's the message advice for you ni Universe, no, mga Sag, no. Kuha tayo dito ng 1 card for Sagittarius, please, no. Message advice for you, Sagittarius. Tignan natin. So you have this, no, be the best version of yourself. No, so sinasabi dito ng mga Sagittarius, no, for some of you, sinasabihan ka ni Universe dito na be the best version of yourself, meaning you have to get out of your comfort zone, no. For some of you, sabi ko nga may repeating cycle dito, right? No, and from that, no, yung potential mo for some of you, hindi mo nagagawa, or yung dapat na para sa'yo, hindi mo nakukuha because you are compromising yourself to the situation, right? No, you are maybe for some of you, ikaw itong bigay ng unconditional love, right? No, kaya na-overcome niyo yung mga issues because you are giving and giving and giving, no? And you are just repeating the cycle. And from that, hindi mo nakikita yung best of you right? Na yung kumbaga parang ang nakikita mo lang palagi yung person na parang kailangan mong sagipin ng sagipin. But then, dapat naman, it's time for you to level up yourself, right? No? Because you are forgetting um, your needs, of course. The one, yung inner self kasi parang sumisigaw na dito no, for some of you. So listen to your intuition, your gut feeling, right? No, sa mga sitwasyon, no, meron kang kailangang gawin dito, no, mga Sagittarius natin. There is still no, something inside of you na alam mo merong nagbabatter inside, no? So, something like that, no? So, ayun yung nakikita ko rito, no? So, sinasabi ni Universe sa'yo, no, Sagittarius, to get out, no? Get out of your comfort zone. Nagiging comfort zone mo itong repeating cycle na ito, no? You are afraid to get out and see who you truly are, right? You have so much potential in yourself, no? And you can give it to others, to the person, of course, to those people who are deserving of your unconditional love, the best version of you, right? No, take out the old version, which is getting into a repeating cycle. You have to get out and move on to a new cycle and be the best version of yourself, right? No, something like that. The mga ayot na naintindihan ninyo, right? Mga Sagittarius natin. So get out, no? If you are thinking of this, right? No, so this is the sign for you to get out, no? Because I know you are being tired here na rin, no, mga Sagittarius natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you mga Sagittarius natin. So I hope na naka-resonate kayo sa reading ninyo today mga Sagittarius natin, and overall fire signs, no, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, no. So maraming salamat sa pagbabalik sa panonood ng reading natin for you mga fire signs natin, right? No, so yeah, that's it for you. God bless you all and thank you for watching fire signs.